Constructing an outdoor classroom. Red Cedar Elementary School is adding 2 outside learning spaces to their school.
We thought that outdoor classrooms would be a fantastic option for teachers to distance classes, give them an opportunity to come outside. There are many times when teachers want to bring their children outside and just hang out and do a lesson that way. You see it on college campuses all the time. And if there's a setup for that, that's great.
One space is located in the back of the school, the other is in the front. Both outdoor classrooms have shade coverings and will have seating for the children, so they'll be comfortable as they learn.
Some children just seem to be energized. Children, adults as well, just seem to be energized when they're outside. It seems that it sort of frees them up a little bit. And sometimes just the movement. We're going from one place to another. We're all going to go together. We're going to sit outside for a while and take in some nature. There are things that they'll notice that they might not have noticed before, especially with the guidance of the teacher.
When teachers found out about the outdoor areas, the principal says they got very excited and can't wait to use the spaces.
The teachers wanted to know where the sign-up sheet was. And we probably will need a sign-up sheet. In the beginning, it will be first come, first serve, but after a while, they'll put in for using the outdoor classrooms.
The 2 outdoor classrooms will be ready to use when students return to school for face-to-face instruction on October 5th. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.